Hello, and it's time for another electronic sound advent calendar. I thought I'd have a look on the back here. Apparently, we mentioned it's a synthesizer and there's no soldering, and we are building a different experiment every day. We spotted yesterday this sequencer, 256 step, I'm interested. Punk console mode, no idea what that's going to be. 3 oscillator mode, which means we might get polyphony. So that's cool. I didn't put it back in its box because I'm getting a feeling that the circuits are kind of sequential, building on each other. Anyway, today is day 6. So where's day 6? I'm just going to pop these over here. Here's day 6. Maybe another small but mighty component. What have we got? Oh, tore it, didn't I? Well, that is another kind of capacitor. So this capacitor here is electrolytic. This one here is ceramic. And this little disc, it's not polarized. You can put it in either way, it doesn't matter. And these tend to have, I think, much smaller values than electrolytic capacitors. So what are we going to build with it today? We've got 2 capacitors, so I wonder what we're going to use 2 capacitors for, what today's experiment will be. So behind door number 6 we find another capacitor. It's a 100 nanofarad. So this 104 100,000 picofarads, and generally there's like 1 0 and then the number of zeros afterwards in picofarads, and then you say 100 nanofarads because you take it down to the scientific notation that fits it best. It's important to note that this can only store a fraction of the energy we can store in the electrolytic capacitor. It says here even at the same voltage it can store 1,000th of the energy, but you don't have to pay attention to polarity. Guess they're smaller, cheaper and easier to use. So this is going to go, now I've just spotted here, something's here, look, on every day the batteries must not be inserted until the circuit is assembled. When the circuit's no longer used, please remove the batteries again. And we left this thing plugged in all night and it's a bit quieter. Whoops. Maybe I need some fresh batteries. So what this will do, putting it across here, is it's still going to do basically the same circuit. This should mean that, oh no, we don't want it there. We want it, hold on, one further pin out here. Okay, I'm just going to display those. So again, this is supposed to take off any DC audio components. So there's only the AC component. Well, DC is not audio. And may optimize the audio signals for the amplifier. Apparently, yes, that it says, and I guess it will take away anything low frequency. So turn it on. Can I hear a difference? Not really. And is it still going to squeal when I put it near to one of these chargers? It is. I guess what it would do is take away any DC elements. It's not really going to change the audio output. The function does not change notably. Okay. Oh, well, let's hope day 7's a bit more fun. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you've learned a little bit about the ceramic disc capacitor and its where it can be, well, cheaper, smaller, and more handy than electrolytics. And we'll see you tomorrow for our next advent for day 7. Bye.